We are discussing about anatomy of earthworm, and this is the reproductive system of earthworm. Earthworms are hermaphrodites or monoecious. That is, male and female reproductive organs are found in the same individual. Okay, there are many organisms like earthworms having both the reproductive, that is, male and female reproductive organs in the same individual. Such animals are called hermaphrodites and also called monoecious. Two sex organs mature at different times. That is, in order to prevent self fertilization or to avoid self fertilization. As both the organs or sex organs are present in the same individual, they mature at different times. It is for the purpose of avoiding self fertilization. Okay, so when testis matures first, and ovary will take time to mature, so that compulsorily cross fertilization, that is fertilization between a male and a female, that is fertilization between two individuals occurs. Okay, otherwise what will happen, self fertilization only will occur when both the sex organs are maturing at the same time. So to avoid it purposefully, the sex organs mature at different times. Okay, so this is to facilitate cross fertilization, or we can say to avoid self fertilization. In earthworms, sperm develops earlier. Okay, that is, not the ovary. Testes develop or mature earlier, and sperms are also produced earlier than the production of ova. So such a type is called protandrous. Okay, protandrous, it refers to development of the testis and formation of the sperms earlier than the production of ova. So cross fertilization takes place. It's a simple, okay, concept you can understand easily. So we will discuss now about male reproductive system. Okay, so this consists of, that is a pair of testes. Okay, male reproductive system consists of pair of testes. This is one pair and this is the other pair. So they are present in the 10th and 11th segment. The testes are present in the 10th and 11th segment. So there are two pairs of testes present in the 10th and 11th segment, and these testes have a special cells called germ cells, which develop into spermatogonia, and these spermatogonia later on they produce spermatozoa. So this spermatozoa, the development, it occurs inside the seminal vesicles. Okay, these are the seminal vesicles. So the development of the cells, okay, reproductive cells into spermatozoa, it occurs inside a pair of, that is two pairs. They are also two pairs as that of testis. They are also present in the same segments, that is in 10 and 11th as that of testis. So two pairs of testis present in 10th and 11th segment, and they also have seminal vesicles, and seminal vesicles are for the development of the, see here it is marked as seminal vesicles, so they are for the development of reproductive cell, that is germ cells or spermatogonia, to develop into mature spermatozoa. Okay, so this is the thing, and apart from it, other structures present are, that is, this is a funnel shaped structure which is called as spermaducal funnel. This is called spermaducal funnel, or also called seminal funnel, and it is ciliated rosette. It is also called ciliated rosette, and it is called also as seminal funnel or spermaducal funnel. And this spermaducal funnel on both the sides, okay, they go downwards to form vasa differentia or vas differentia. The spermaducal funnel or seminal funnel, which is in the shape of a funnel, uh, on either side go down as vas differens. Vas differens is singular and vas differentia is plural. And vas differentia, and they move down, and they runs up to 18th segment. They both run up to 18th segment, and they open outside through male genital pore. Okay, seminal funnel are also called ciliated rosette, run downwards as vas differens, and vas differens, it runs up to 18th segment and opens outside through male genital pore. And two pairs of Pineal setae are present in the male genital pore. And this pineal setae, it is for, and this is the structure they have given separately. This pineal seta is singular, setae is plural. They are for helping in copulation. So, a paired structure, a pineal setae are present in the male genital pore or aperture, and they are useful in copulation. Apart from it, you can see another structure which is called prostate gland. A pair of prostate glands are present, and what they do is they secrete, okay, the secretions from prostate glands, they cement spermatozoa into bundles. Okay, the spermatozoa which are formed from the testis, which develop in sperma, that is, which develop in the seminal vesicle. So these spermatozoa are bundled up, okay, together by means of cement like that secretions from this prostate gland. So the purpose of prostate gland is to secrete a substance so that can cement spermatozoa into bundles, which is called a spermatophore. Okay, the spermatozoa are bundled together by means of cementing substance by due to the secretion from this prostate gland, and in that case, spermatozoa are called spermatophores. Okay, this is about the male reproductive system in earthworm. We'll discuss now about uh, that is the explanation of what I discussed using this picture. So this is the male reproductive system. Two pairs of testes are present. They are present, one in the 10th and the other one in the 11th segment. Testes give rise to germ cells. These germ cells are spermatogonia. They develop into spermatozoa, and the development, it occurs in the two pairs of seminal vesicles. Okay, remember, pair of testes, that is two pairs of testes, one in 10 and one in the other one in the 11th segment. And testes give rise to germ cells or spermatogonia. Later on, they develop into spermatozoa that occurs inside the seminal vesicles, which are also two pairs as that of testes. They are also present in the same segments, that is like testes, they are also present in 10 and 11th segment. Apart from it, two pairs of seminal funnels called ciliary rosettes are situated in the same segments as the testis. Apart from it, that ciliary rosettes are also situated in the same segment as that of testis. The ciliated funnels of the same side are connected to a long tube called vas deferens. Okay, and the vas deferens are plural. It is, as I said, vasa differentia. They run up to the 18th segment, where they open to the exterior through male genital aperture or opening. The male genital aperture contains two pairs of pineal setae. Okay, the male genital aperture contains two pairs of pineal setae for copulation, and a pair of prostate glands are also present. They are present in the 18th and 19th segment. The secretion of the prostate gland serves to cement the spermatozoa into bundles known as spermatophores. Okay.